Welcome back. Polling day witnessed a clash between the BJP and Congress activists in Panji. Congress candidate Yatin Parekh and BJP councillor Vaidehi Naik clashed at Masandiamuri polling booth. Congress camp alleged that BJP councillor Vaidehi Naik was canvassing in the polling booth area. Both the camps clashed after Yatin Parekh tried to grab the identity card from Vaidehi Naik.
Yatin Parekh alleged BJP workers of manipulation and canvassing at the polling booth.
सकाळी हांगा जेन्ना म्हाका म्हाज्या पोलिंग एजंटान सांगलें की हांगा मॅनिपुलेशन चल्लां BJPचें आनी टोटल लोकांक कॅनवसिंग चल्लां पोलिंग बुथान आनी तेन्ना इमिडियटली हांव पावलो जाल्यार हांवें प्रॅक्टिकली पळयलें कॉर्पोरेटर वैदेही नायक हें ताचें कार्ड गळ्यान घालून प्लस आनी 8-10 बायलां हांगा प्रत्येक मनीस जो भितर बुथान सरता तांकां विचारता तुजें कार्ड दाखय मागीर तांकां एसिस्ट करता खंय रावपाचें तें खंयच्या लायनीन रावपाचें तें आनी तांकां सांगता BJP वोट कर प्लीज वोट फॉर BJP. मनोहर पर्रीकर येता आनी म्हाका म्हणटा 5 वरां जावनी हांव तुका शिकयता कितें तें ही गुंडागिरी तांकां सोंपता काय कितें.
Meanwhile, Panje police have registered offence against Yatin Parekh for alleged molestation. Offence has been registered taking cognizance of complaint filed by BJP. Sheikh Nazir has filed complaint against BJP supporters for damaging his car by lighting firecrackers. Police detained 7 supporters of BJP. BJP supporters had held a rally in the city in the evening. Our senior reporter Rakesh Khandolkar with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Police raided a house in Dawoodli on suspicion that it was being used by Churchill Alemau's daughter for canvassing. The house is situated next to a polling booth at Dawoodli. Supporters of Churchill Alemau and Avertano Furtado had a clash outside this polling booth.
Nobody just came inside and telling me you don't have any right. I'm
First thing was the police cleared them.
when inside my house, inside the house on the first floor, you'll have the right to ask who can come inside the house.
What is going on?
Congress candidate from Naveli, Churchill Alemau, accused police of bossing, while Valanka Alemau says the poll is not being held in a free and fair manner. Valanka claims that the house belongs to their family friends. Police asked the daughter of Churchill Alemau to leave the house after supporters of Alemau and Avertano Furtado clashed outside the polling booth.
Police दादागिरी को दिखा सीना हूँ एमगे चढ़ूँ एक आरा हाँ एकले तिंगा बितोरो सा लाठी चार्ज को तुम police. And I'll see that next election where the Savan will be.
He came in on the first floor. He's asking her what right you have to come in the house. Who are you all to come? They don't have any right. They are friends. We can visit anyone.
And दादागिरी election.
Inside the house in the
अरे
bedroom.
सौगले हुजा सोन आके गोइंचे बोंसर आले आणि दादागिरी करो election.
The election is not a fair election.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Polling officer at Kundai polling booth in Marsai constituency was transferred after Congress workers accused him of a bias. Congress workers alleged that the polling officer was canvassing for another political party.
People say that polling officer Baburao Naik was appealing to the voters to press the top button on the electronic voting machine.
तेन्ना हांव गेल्लो भितर तेन्ना तेणी सांगला म्हाका वयलो बटन दाम म्हणून तेजे मुखार ते एक बायल गेल्ली एक दादलो गेलो तिका तशेंच सांगलें तिणें तशेंच केलें आनी मागीर हांवें येवन भायर येवन मागीर लोकांक बोवाळ घातलो मागीर सगळ्या लोकांनी मागीर बोवाळ करून मागीर सगळ्यांक मागीर एकामेकाक मागीर जमा केलें.
बूथ नंबर 2 कुंडे बस स्टॉप तो सगळ्यांक सांगता वयलो बटन दाम भितर जे लोक आमगे शिकोनाशिल्ले तांकां वयलो बटन दाम आनी मत मार म्हण आनी जेन्ना आमचे विश्वासान सांगलें तेन्ना विश्वासान ताका आमकां येवन भायर सांगलें की आपल्या हो असो हेरेगिरी करता म्हणून मागीर हांवें कमिशनर आपोवन हाडली आनी ताका हांगासरलो गुटली उबारली.
Polling agent Hanuman Naik also demanded action against Joint Chief Electoral Officer Nauti, claiming that Nauti is also acting biased.
मडकय मतदारसंघात जितले जे ऑफिसर आसा बीएलओ आसा कोण जितले जे ऑफिसर आसा सगळे बायस आसा ही जी यंत्रणा आसा ती सगळी हायजॅक केल्ली आसा. इतलेच न्ही जो नावती आसा जो पत्रकां काडटालो व्हडली हो नावती जो आसा तो नारायण नावती जो आसा जॉयंट हे कमिशनर गोंयचो तो आमचे फोन घेना इलेक्शन घे हांवें ताका कितले दीस जाले फोन म्हाजो फोन कट करता असलो हो जो बायस ऑफिसर थंय बसयल्लो आसा हेचेर एक्शन जावची बेगीन. आनी आतां जर जाली ना नारायण नावती हो टोटल बायस आसा तो रिलेटीव आसा तेजे नातेवाईकाक जॉब दिल्ले आसा म्हणून तो बायस आसा.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Vasco PI Francisco Cort has been suspended pending inquiry. He was suspended on Saturday following complaint from the Murgaon Union of Journalists. Journalists had complained of threatening by Cort and his biased functioning while discharging his duty.
DIG Ravindra Yadav informed Prudent that the Vasco PI Francisco Cort was suspended pending inquiry on Saturday. He said action was taken following complaint by the Murgaon Union of Journalists.
We have suspended the police inspector of Vasco, Mr. Cort, pending inquiry, and the additional charge has been given to the Harbour PI, Mr. Rahul Par.
Union claims that Cort is threatening the journalists. Meanwhile, flying squad searched the two-wheeler of Pascal D'Souza, elder brother of Jose Philip D'Souza. However, nothing was found. Officials of the flying squad and Pascal refused to comment on the search. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.